Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest tips and tricks to enhance your tech experience. Today we're diving into 10 hidden Windows settings that you probably didn't know you could change. Stick around because whether you're a power user or just looking to add a personal touch to your PC, these tweaks will transform your Windows experience. Trust me, you won't want to miss any of these tips. Let's get started. Tip number 10. Automate nightlight. Schedule it to reduce eye strain by turning on during specific hours or syncing with sunset and sunrise. Perfect for late-night work. Press Windows I to open Settings. Navigate to System, then Display, and select Nightlight. Enable the Schedule Nightlight toggle. You can also choose Set Hours to define the specific times you want it to activate. Tip number 9. Set Do Not Disturb hours. Automate it for specific times gaming, full-screen apps, or presentations. Go to Windows Settings and select Notification Assist under the System menu. Expand the Turn on Do Not Disturb Automatically section to set your preferred hours and frequency. Tip number 8. Enable Storage Sense. Go to Windows Settings, then System, and select Storage. Enable Storage Sense and click on it to access its settings. Customize cleanup schedules for local and cloud content to suit your preferences. Tip number 7. Customizing Start menu. Go to Settings. Click on Personalization. Select Start. Look for Choose which folders appear on Start. This feature allows you to decide which folders appear on the left side of the Start menu when you open it. You can choose from options like Documents, Pictures, Videos, Network, Settings, and more. Customize it to fit your needs, or show all the folders if you prefer. Tip number 6. Always on top. This trick is a real lifesaver when dealing with unresponsive programs, especially full-screen applications like games. Here's what you need to do. Go to the search bar and type Task Manager to open it. At the top of the Task Manager window, click on Options. Then click on Always on Top so it's selected. This deceptively simple setting ensures that whenever the Task Manager is open, it always comes in front of all other windows, including full-screen ones. When a program freezes and becomes unresponsive, it can sometimes push the Task Manager behind it, making it difficult to access. By enabling this setting, you can ensure the Task Manager stays visible, allowing you to easily close the problematic program without having to force a shutdown. Tip number 5. Adjust active hours, which deals with Windows updates. To find this setting, go to Update and Security, then Windows Update, and look for Change Active Hours. Here, you can specify an 18-hour time window daily when Windows won't automatically restart for updates. Tip number 4. Optimize file navigation. Open any Explorer window and navigate to View, then Options, and select Change Folder and Search Options. Next, click on the View tab. Our first adjustment here is to enable a setting called Display the Full Path in the title bar. This feature ensures that Explorer windows always show the complete directory path rather than just the current folder name. This makes it much clearer where you are located within your file system. Tip number 3. Optimize toolbar and button access. Look at the top of any window and click on the drop-down arrow icon. This allows you to personalize the quick access toolbar. I recommend deselecting Minimize the ribbon to keep all your settings readily accessible at the top. This customization is based on personal preference, but having all your options visible can enhance your workflow. Tip number 2. Show file extensions. Before we finish with File Explorer settings, go back to the View tab in the Options menu and make sure to deselect Hide File Extensions for known file types. This setting ensures that file extensions are always visible, so you can easily identify the type of each file. Tip number 1. Set data limit. Open Settings and go to Network and Internet. Select Status, then click on Data Usage. Choose your network and specify the data limit you want to set. With this setting, you'll receive a warning when you're nearing your data limit, helping you avoid unexpected overage charges. That's all for our Windows tips. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech tips. Thanks for watching.